Hello everyone, I am Mayukh and today I will explain you Class 9 NCERT Math Solutions Chapter 1, which is Number System. So let's start the video. Number system consists of all types of numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers, etc. That means all types of numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, etc. forms the number system. Okay, now before going to the exercises, we need to get a proper definition of these terms: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and so on. Okay, so let's see the definitions. Now let's see the definition of natural numbers. The infinite range of positive numbers like 1, 3, 165 and so on, excluding 0, is known as natural numbers. Now let's see the definition of whole numbers. Now the definition of whole numbers is the infinite range of positive numbers like 1, 5, 225 and so on, including 0, is known as whole numbers. Now if I ask you to tell me difference between whole numbers and natural numbers, then you can tell me simply that natural numbers doesn't include 0 and whole numbers include 0. Okay, now let's see the definition of integers. Now the definition of integers is the infinite range of positive numbers like 1, 5, 225 and so on, and negative numbers like -1, -5, -225 and so on, including 0, are called integers. Okay, now let's see the definition of rational numbers. Now the definition of rational numbers is the numbers which can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, are called rational numbers. Now let's see the definition of irrational numbers. I forgot to say the examples of rational numbers, which are 1 by 2, -4 by 3, 5 by 7, etc. Okay, as they can be written in the form p by q. Okay. So now let's see the definition of irrational numbers. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, are called irrational numbers. The examples of irrational numbers are √2, √3, pi, etc. Okay. Now let's see the definition of real numbers. Now, what are real numbers? Real numbers consist of both rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, so for example, if I take √2 or 2 by 3, here you will say that this is a irrational number and this is a rational number. Okay, but as real numbers consist both rational and irrational numbers, therefore these two numbers are real numbers. Okay, so this much for today. We will meet in the next video, and thank you.